up everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2023 Lurching Vampire from Haunted Hill Farm. Alright guys, so I have wanted this guy for a while. I wanted the original 2010 Lurching Vampire, but I didn't want to pay some huge price, or I also did not want to pay like the retail for something that's broken. By the way, if you hear any noise behind you, that is my cat. She's sitting right behind you on the chair that you guys are sitting on. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know about that. But yeah, Haunted Hill Farm made a release of him this year, like a flashback. So he wasn't exactly high on my list just because we have Spirit, Home Depot, all that, Lowe's. But now I found one for a very good price, one that's kind of used, but still pretty new. So I decided to get him. So let's pop this box open. Okay, so you guys might hear some stuff at the door because we have a tornado right now, actually, like a tornado warning. So there's a pretty big storm. So yeah. First thing coming out is going to be the module and control box. With one of the poles already attached, I understand for not like taking this off because I'm sure it's very hard to do. But yeah, here it is. We're gonna put that right into on so I don't do that later. But yeah, this is the control box and the first pole on. Here's one of the poles. It also has these connections for these other poles that are gonna go on that'll stop him down. I may try not using them just because I don't like how little he lurches, but we'll see. Maybe I will. Maybe he'll look better here. Here's another one of the plastic poles. That would be a reason why I wouldn't take them off because they are plastic poles, they're not metal, so it could be easier to break. Here's one of the feet. Similar setup to like Jumping Spider and Rosemary, but obviously just on a much bigger scale. Here's another foot. Here's the back weighted foot. So this will go on the back and this is pretty heavy. So this should hold him back pretty good, and then this loop gets attached. So we'll see. I'll definitely try it without and I'll see if it like looks like it needs it. Joe Beam videos, his lasted for a very long time with the poles and everything, and he didn't use the cable or the poles, so we'll see. I'm definitely gonna use one of them though. Here is the other foot with the foot removal key in there. Let's take the vampire out himself. Wow. This guy is awesome looking. So his mouth opens down, his eyes open, and then his arms are posable too. And then yeah, he lurches down. He lights up too, which is, yeah, this guy's really cool looking. Here it is. Adapter right here. Here are those poles that I was talking about. So these will connect and just hit the floor, and those will stop him. So yeah. And then here is a random weird pole. Very weird looking pole. And then finally, we have the manual and the instructions and all that. So yeah, not many pieces. I'm gonna use the instructions because I'm not sure what that other little pole is. So we will figure that out. But yeah, that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get into stuff. Alright guys, I got them all done. Pretty easy setup. I have an extension cord right here so we can get all the way to him. Let's plug him in. Alright guys, so that was the Lurching Vampire from Haunted Hill Farm. This guy is really cool. I do like him. I got him for a very good price, so I'm not disappointed at all. His lunge does not look better in person. So if you're thinking that it is, it doesn't. The poles aren't even on anymore, but it still looks not really. I mean, literally the poles just fell off. So yeah, that still didn't really help it. Lunge any further. I am going to keep the back cable on just because then I feel like he'd like get more faulty, I guess, if he did lunge like that. So I'm not going to do that. He already leans a little bit, but it's fine. He's still a really cool animatronic. I can't wait to use him for this year. I have a great place for him. Right in that little alcove. I'm going to try and put some like flame fire around him. And yeah, we don't get many vampire props, so this guy is cool anyways. I will leave a link in the description if you'd like to buy him. I bought mine off of Amazon. So yeah, I'll also leave a link in the description to the merch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.